some direct formulae. Limit x tending to 0, sin x upon x equal to 1. Limit x tending to 0. ये दो फॉर्मूले बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay. And you know, somebody can twist you like this. They can ask you limit x tending to 0, sin 3x upon x. अब क्या करेंगे? ये जो x होता है ना ऊपर, ये सेम चीज यहाँ होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो व्हाट एम आई गोइंग टू डू? आई एम गोइंग टू multiply 3 outside because limit hai, the constant can come out, and I will divide by 3 inside. Okay, you see ये 3x हो गया, ये भी 3x हो गया. Now if x goes to 0, 3x automatically goes to 0. So this actually becomes 3x goes to 0 sin 3x by 3x. This is going to be 3 into 1, 3. Okay, they can twist you like this. They will not give you, of course they can ask you the direct formula also, but you see they can twist you like this. No problem. Similarly, they ask you limit x tending to 0, tan 7x upon 3. Suppose ये पूछ लिया, अब क्या करेंगे? Upon 3x. Okay. What is my aim? I want 7x. So what will I do? सबसे पहले I am going to take this 3 out. It will become 1 by 3. Now x is alone here. Multiply it by 3. And I want to cancel out the effect of this 7. Okay. And now this limit is 1. Normal manipulations. Okay. Okay. These two properties very important. I have told you how to play around with these two properties. Okay. Now, one very interesting question. Limit x tending to 0, x into sine 1 by x. Now, यहां पर आप फंस सकते हो. आप 0 रखिए. 0 into sine 1 by 0. I don't know what is sine infinity. Seriously. I don't know what is sine infinity. So how to attempt such kind of questions? देखिए. The value of sine A, whatever the value of sine A, sin A की वैल्यू ना तो कभी 1 से ज्यादा होगी और ना -1 से छोटी होगी. You should know this. You should know this. Very important. The value of sine of any angle will always lie between -1 and 1. So that means A के बदले 1 by x भी आएगा तो भी चलेगा. We can replace A by 1 by x. Now multiply the inequality by x. I am going to tell you a very nice property today. Now, look at this limit. Limit x tending to 0 minus x is 0. Look at this limit. This is x equals to 0. ये दोनों लिमिट 0 आ गई तो ये वाली लिमिट भी 0 हो जाएगी. Please write this question. I will tell you a very beautiful property on limits. सैंडविच बनाते हैं ना, क्या करते हैं? One portion of the bread on top, one portion on the bread on bottom, and we have spread in between and we sandwich. This is known as sandwich theorem or squeeze theorem. इसका नाम ही बहुत अच्छा है. Okay? Okay. So what is sandwich theorem? It says if fx is a function which lies between two functions hx and gx. Okay? And if limit x tending to a gx is equal to L is equal to limit x tending to a hx. If this limit at a and this limit at a are equal to L, then limit x tending to a fx will be L. important. If this question comes in your exam, this is a result of this theorem, Sandwich theorem. This is an amalgamation of Sandwich theorem and the property that sin x is bounded between -1 and 1. Same go for cos x. ये tan के लिए कभी नहीं होगा. Tan is an unbounded function. थोड़ा बहुत ट्रिग्नोमेट्री भी आपको आना चाहिए. Tan is an unbounded function. Sin और cos bounded function है. ये भी आ सकता है एग्जाम में. लिमिट x टेंडिंग टू 0, x cos 1 upon x. ये भी हो सकता है. x स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है.